Do you want to look 20 years younger? Imagine being mistaken for your own child's sibling or having people gasp when you reveal your real age. It's not a pipe dream, but a tangible reality that can be achieved with just 7 simple steps. Water is your best friend. Hydrate often. Water is not just essential for survival, but also a secret weapon for maintaining youthful skin. It helps keep your skin moisturized, supple, and radiant. So don't forget to drink your 8 glasses a day. Step 2. Embrace the power of a balanced diet. Consuming the right foods can do wonders for your skin and overall health. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your daily meals. Remember, you are what you eat. Step 3. Regular exercise is key. Physical activity not only keeps your body in shape, but it also promotes circulation, which can help delay the signs of aging. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a bike ride, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Step 4. Get plenty of beauty sleep. When you sleep, your body works on repairing and rejuvenating your cells. This is why a lack of sleep often leads to a dull complexion and fine lines. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. Step 5. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun damage is one of the leading causes of premature aging. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen before heading out, even on cloudy days. Step 6. Maintain a consistent skincare routine. This should include cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and applying anti-aging products that suit your skin type. Regular exfoliation to remove dead skin cells can also help reveal a younger-looking complexion. Final step, manage your stress levels. High levels of stress can accelerate the aging process. Find ways to relax and unwind, be it through meditation, reading, or simply taking a quiet stroll in the park. To recap, the 7 simple steps to look 20 years younger are staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, protecting your skin from the sun, following a consistent skincare routine, and managing stress. By following these steps, you're not just working towards looking younger, but also improving your overall health and well-being. It's not just about turning back the clock on your appearance, but also enhancing your quality of life. After all, true youthfulness is a combination of looking good and feeling great. So why not embark on this journey towards a younger, healthier you?